Here with Jose in his Jaguar F-Type 400. Very exciting car. Jose, what's your first impression since you got the car?
This is an awesome car. It's power, the quality.
Let's try to hear it now.
All right, let's
do it. Let's do it. I don't know if it will come through in the microphone, but let's give it a try.
Let me give you a taste.
All right.
Let's do it.
Hi guys, I'm here with my friend Jose. He owns the Jaguar F-Type 400. He's gonna walk us around the car and just talk a little bit about the features.
All right.
Hi Jose.
Hey, hi everybody. So this is the F-Type. It's the first type that I buy. It's a 2018 model, special edition. It comes with a 400 horsepower V6 engine. If you look at the car, it's gorgeous, and you can tell that it's a special edition by the 400 Sports. You know, when you look around, you see that highlighted everywhere. Outside, inside, you will be able to see it as well. Even the seats have the 400.
Let's take a look.
If you take a look closer. What I love about this car, if you see the interior, are the yellow stitches, which
yes.
makes it very beautiful, and the quality of the materials used for the
Jaguar
interior
did a great job with this car, man. So how do you like the performance?
Performance is great. I think that I have had cars, even with paddle shifters,
Yeah.
and I can tell you that I have never enjoyed them so much. How quickly this car reacts,
Yeah.
the shifting, the torque. When you take it out on the street, you could tell that you have power, and it's not just still. You can hear how the car pops when you downshift.
Yeah.
Which makes it very, very enjoyable.
No car sounds like this car, man.
The sound is amazing, and people tell you driving around, and if you want to draw attention, you can definitely do it with this car.
Right.
So it's really fun.
How about the handling? Do you like the handling in the car?
Oh, this is great. It's very stable. It's smooth. I don't have any concerns whatsoever with the handling.
Let's look at the engine. Can we do that?
Yeah, let me pop up.
That's nice. Well organized.
Keep it clean. It's just in and out.
Well, Jose, I think we can eat in there. Very much. Look at the hood. How it comes up. I want to thank Jose for spending Sunday morning with us, sharing his views on his wonderful car, the Jaguar F-Type. I think, Jose, we can say that you're pretty happy with it.
Extremely happy, and I'm happy to share, this with you as well. It's a great toy to have. So.
Great. So we'll be looking at other friends of Patty and more videos of Patty. So stay tuned to the channel and don't forget to like and subscribe. So see you guys soon. Take care.
See you. Bye.
Cheers.